description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we have the absolute last Meet the Manufacturer of the CGYY series. This, I didn't realize it until the last episode, that here in the corner, this one is called Veg Masala, and the previous one was chicken flavor. But this is a snack noodle, and you might be like, what? What's a snack noodle? A snack noodle is when you take instant noodles and you don't have them cooked, but you kind of make them like, you know, kind of like potato chips or a trail mix or something. And that's what this is. This is it's a Bhujiya, and it's like you just take a little bit and go yum 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 yum. Pretty basic. And with that, it'll be an exceedingly short episode today. Yes, yes. So, I don't know what the next episode's going to be. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm going to be putting out something in a rush. I don't know if I'm putting out... Maybe I'll put that on a Monday. But it won't... Maybe it'll be the next one or one of the... But something will seem very out of order very shortly. And that will be because I'm switching out an episode that would be next with the one that I'm going to be doing after this. So yeah. Hint, there will be a mukbang involved. So that's kind of... Usually when I do such things, or if it's a really good variety and I want to have it get a chance to be on a top 10, here is what we got. It's a Saturday. I don't usually do stuff on Saturday. My wife's working this morning, so. But yeah, you take a little bit. Yeah, I love this stuff. I've had tons of this. Yeah, it's like, this is the first one I've had from Nepal. I've had a lot of them from India. And sometimes it'll have peanuts, sometimes it'll have cashew and peanut, and lentils, and sometimes almonds, sometimes raisins. Like I said, it's kind of like a trail mix kind of thing. Yeah. But that's what it looks like. And today I'm going to be using something new. At least attempting to. So I got my new lens for my camera, right? No, it's not extremely thick. This is a 50mm prime 1.8 lens. And the thing that bums me out is you have to be a little bit away from the subject you're photographing for it to take a picture. For example, I'm back here. Let's see if I can do this so you can see it. Oh yeah, I should be able to. So as you can see, here's what you usually see from me if I'm backed up from this camera. Here's how it looks here. See? It's like I'm way, 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 way closer. It's like, it's too much. So I'm going to be trying to use this thing for the thumbnail, and I'm also going to be trying, I've got a box over there, so I'm going to have to try a different spot for taking the top-down shot. So Anyways, probably info that you don't really care about, but for me it's a big deal. I just shelled out like 110 bucks for this lens that all these guys were saying, like, this is the lens for you. Food photographers love this lens. It's like, I can see why. It's really neat, but for what I do, it's really gonna be tough to actually use it in an easy way. So anyways, let's enjoy this last Rotato from YY Meet the Manufacturer. Yeah. Well, thanks again to the folks over at CG in Nepal for sending all these neat products to review. I'm crossing my fingers because I'm going to send them all the images that I did and what I thought about their products. I'm hoping they'll send more. The only problem I had with them was during shipping, the package got handled kind of mean, and they had some oil sachets where the noodle broke up and punctured the package. Generally, this isn't something I run into, but I asked them about it. I was like, you don't usually have this problem, do you? And they're like, no, do you think it's from the shipping? And I'm like, yeah, it wouldn't surprise me. So, that being said, great products. And, yeah, the Alu Mata was absolutely spectacular stuff. That's 5-star. And it's probably going to end up on some list. I don't know which one. I can't really do a top 10 Taiwan because all I have is the stuff that or not Taiwan, Nepal. But yeah, we'll see where it ends up. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah, so there's going to be an episode that seems out of place soon. There you go. Anyways, have a good one. Bye-bye.